Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this look, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I was inspired by Beats by Lizzie on Instagram. She does absolutely amazing looks. I recommend you go check her out if you haven't seen her account already. It's so different from what I usually do. This kind of a look is supposed to make your eyes look rounder, and you know me, I usually do that kind of an extended looks. In makeup I usually look for extending my eye rather than making it look rounder. So this is kind of out of my comfort zone, but I really love how it came out. But before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, I suggest you subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of makeup content. I upload videos every Monday and Friday. It's mostly makeup tutorials. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you like makeup. And if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. After a 2 weeks break, I feel so good to be back filming. You haven't noticed that I haven't filmed for 2 weeks because I obviously kept uploading. In the past week and a half, I've been away visiting family and stuff. So yeah, I haven't filmed, and also I did very light makeup. I was like a little bit of concealer, a little bit of mascara, and that was it for me. So today I did a little bit of a cake face because I got excited to do makeup again. I also think I have a little bit too much bronzer, but that's okay. Today I want to recreate a look that I've seen on Instagram. There's this girl that I just love her content so much. Her username is Beats by Lizzie. I'm going to mention her Instagram down below. She does gorgeous makeup. Yeah, she does just gorgeous stuff. Whatever, I'm going to recreate this look by her. This is so out of my comfort zone, that's why I decided to recreate this look. I feel like this look is made to make your eyes look rounder. It's that kind of a, I think it's called puppy liner, and I'm going to try to do a look like this that's going to emphasize my round eyes rather than extending and hiding the shape of my eye. My eyes are primed already. I used a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. The main palette I'm going to use today is the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place, because yeah, it has these warm browns that I can use for today's look. I'm going to start with the darkest shade first. I'm talking about my crease right now because obviously I'm doing a cut crease. So I'm going to start with the darkest shade first, which is going to be this dark brown. And I'm taking it on a really small brush. This is a Morphe M149. And I'm placing this above my crease, because when I'm doing a cut crease I usually cut the crease above my natural one, so my eye is going to look a little bit bigger, even though that's pretty hard with a deep set eye like mine. And also the shape of the cut crease is going to be pretty rounded, because I usually do the cut creases again kind of like an extension of my eye. It's pretty hard for me because I never do this kind of a round shape. The next shade I'm going to use is going to be this orange in the center, and I'm using a Morphe M507 brush. And I'm going to place this above the brown. First I'm stamping the shade to get the pigment there. I'm getting a little bit of fallout on my face. I probably should have done my eyes first, but whatever. After I lay down the pigment, I use the same brush and kind of diffuse the shade in my crease. Without taking additional product on the brush. And with my previous brush, again with no additional product, I'm going to blend the edges by gently going back and forth over the edge, taking a little bit more of that dark brown and intensifying. This cut crease had me struggling way too much. Let's see if I'm able to recreate it on this side. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm in the shade C6, and I'm using a flat concealer brush. And the cut crease needs to be round, that's why I'm struggling. And I'm also not starting from the inner corner, I'm starting a little bit above. see, this is not round enough, so I need to add a little bit more here. They're not really even, but yeah, whatever. I feel like this is the best I can do. I'm going to take the Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay, and I'm going to mix both of these shades, the lightest shades of the palette, and I'm going to apply it with a Juvia's Place 005 small buffer brush. I'm keeping my eyes like this so the concealer won't transfer, because with my deep set eyes that's a huge problem. I'm going to use these shades to set the concealer in place, and I'm just stamping. And I'm switching to a more precise brush. This is a Juvia's Place 002 small definer brush. Taking the same shades to apply them here right at the edge of the cut crease. When I'm doing a cut crease, I like taking an angled brush. This is a Juvia's Place 003, and taking the darkest shade again and just stamping right here in my crease to intensify and create like a bigger contrast between the lid and the crease. I'm taking the same fluffy brush by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this medium brown in the Warrior 2 palette, just a little bit of that, and stamping it close to my lash line. Taking the same brush that I used to apply the orange shade and taking the orange shade again, because I almost forgot about the lower lash line. And I think I could have used a brown liner for this look, but I don't have one. So I'm going to try to use a pencil instead. Okay, I did my right eye, and I'm not used to this, but I kind of love it. So let's recreate it. I'm going to use the Sephora Collection 12-Hour Contour Pencil. This is on sale right now, by the way. I'm going to start with my inner corner, kind of doing an inner corner wing. You gotta make sure that your pencil is sharp. I'm going to line my eyes with it. Kind of keeping the same thickness on my entire eye, because I usually thicken the liner when I reach my other corner, because again I always do that extended eye look, but for this look I'm not going to do that. And in my other corner I'm going to extend the line downwards, and then I'll use my angle brush to thin this out. And now I'm going to draw those kind of false lashes, I guess. I think I'm going to make some weird faces. I'm sorry in advance. Using the brush again. And to make my eyes look even bigger and more awake, I'm going to use this Bourjois waterproof pencil. It's in the shade Fair Play. I'm going to apply it on my waterline. Next, I'm taking the same highlighter that I used on my face. This is a NYX Born to Glow palette. I used this pinkish highlighter here. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner, being careful not to ruin that liner. And also underneath the arch of my brow. And I'm going to finish the eye look off camera by applying some false lashes. I think I'm going to use these ones from AliExpress. Okay, lashes are on. I also wanted to mention that I didn't apply mascara on my lower lashes. For my lips, I'm going to use the Boysenberry lip pencil in the shade Butter Nude. Overlining in the center. And as lipstick, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Driver, which is a warm tone nude. And in that look she has faux freckles, so I want faux freckles as well. So I'm going to take eyeliner brush like this. This is from e.l.f. And I'm going to take my contour powder and I'm going to do the freckles with this powder. I'm going to mix a bunch of shades and do them in different sizes, different colors. Just stamping. You can use kind of like a bronzer shade, so it's a pretty warm toned. I'm going to cover my pimples and pretend they are freckles. And I think that's enough for today's look. I had a lot of fun doing it. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. It's so different from what I usually do, but I absolutely love it. I hope you like it too. And don't forget to check out Lizzie on Instagram. She does absolutely insane looks. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. It means a lot to me. Honestly, I really hope you're having an amazing day just as you are. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!